Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yeah, at the moment we could see that Bitcoin has come back down to, all the way down to 42,000 on Bitstamp. Very big wick, very big wick, as we've seen in the past, right? We've had some very big wicks down. Now, the question is, am I still in my trade? Obviously not. No, I've been liquidated, and they obviously, there could have been some precautions that could have been taken, but I believed in my trade, and I thought we were gonna bounce, and it looks like we didn't. So everybody, Rick and I'm assuming Rick too was liquidated, but it's tough, and it happens all the time. So if that happened to you, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. You still have your day job, like I said. You still got cash flow coming in. You can still put money in the market and trade your way back to profit. And my challenge account is actually still in profit, even from that liquidation. I'm not ashamed to say it. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, by the way. Because today, Bitcoin fell down, and Ethereum actually came all the way down from 47 all the way down to 3,400, a little bit lower, 3,380, depending on which exchange you were trading on. And Binance could have gone even lower. BitGet didn't get as low as there. But right now we can see that Bitcoin is struggling quite a bit. We are getting a nice little bounce here from 46 back up to 49. But that we are running into resistance at the EMA ribbons at the moment. So, some more downside could be warranted. We could see right now, we are pretty far extended, excuse me, from these EMA ribbons, as we can see. A chance to go back up to the upside is a little difficult to say right now. We are actually still in profit on our spot buy by 10% at the moment for Bitcoin. I know some people that bought the dip at 47, 46. I'm not going to say who, but they actually allocated a little bit more. And then on the long-term indicators, we can see that we don't have a capitulation yet. This could technically be still, a shakeout to get people out of the market before some more upside. Obviously, it's difficult. It's a little bit difficult to understand now, and after we've fallen so much, from the peak. We've come all the way down to about a 38% correction, and right now we're not sitting at 30%. We are back up to 28.5 at the moment, but if you believe in your trades, stick to them. And right now this was just a reaccumulation phase for me. I added more Bitcoin to my portfolio and stored it away for a long time. And we could see as well XRP, probably one of the worst ones, came all the way back down to 57 cents or 58 cents. A massive correction for XRP today. It came all the way down there. So 38% in just one day. So that daily candle must have bled a lot and hit a lot of liquidations. From our peak here, our rejection, it's just been a slow grind down, and XRP is actually down over 55% from here. We're not going to measure from there, but we're going to measure from this touch point, from this resistance box. But then even right now, we can take a look at our VeChain investment. Our VeChain investment is down 20% now. So we're going to give you guys a weekly update on Sunday, see how that goes. But yeah, at the moment, Bitcoin not doing too well. Atom actually surprisingly holding very well. Ethereum as well. If you guys are still willing to trade, Ethereum and Atom are doing quite well compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually bled more than Ethereum, and Ethereum has a massive wick right here. In my opinion, Ethereum looks very strong, very strong compared to Bitcoin. We have we had some bounces here like so, and it bounced back up, and now we came back down and we broke it. Once we broke it, we reversed very fast back up, all the way back up to these support levels, or these yellow lines that I've drawn right here, which are technically supposed to be support levels, and they are actually acting as support levels. But for the time being, you can see that market cipher looking very bearish right now for Bitcoin. Money flow decreasing, momentum waves coming all the way down. VWAP, however, is starting to curl back up a little bit, but we'll just have to see how that plays out. And you know, we could see that right now with the 19 on the weekly time frame and that red dot. You know, this could have been expected. And the 12 right now, it's a 12 with a red dot, and it looks like a, you know, bit of a bearish divergence there in my opinion under larger time frames. But you gotta think even longer term than that at the moment. You know, you gotta think, how long are you gonna hold Bitcoin for? Are you just in here for the pumps? Are you just chasing the pumps and then, you know, selling during the dumps? Or you gotta chase the dumps and sell in the pumps, buy in the red, sell in the green, reaccumulate in the red, right? That's how you do your trading. Just try to give some positive feedback during these times of needs. Are you buying the dip at the moment? A lot of people are saying that. You know, I saw a tweet today with Carl the Moon tweeting buy the dip every time Bitcoin was topping out, which was pretty funny because it could have been a nice little short indicator if you want. So I think Carl was like tweeting buy the dip here and it fell, buy the dip here and it fell, buy the dip here and it fell. But yeah, anyways, for the time being, we've held this green resistance box. We had a wick down to 42. Right now, we are coming back up. We came back up right here, bounced back, and now the yellow line is acting as resistance. Now, are we going to come back down for another test of 46 and then maybe hold it and possibly form a bullish divergence? I would really like to see that happen, but we're just gonna have to see. Also, on Monday morning, there's probably going to be some more bad news about the Omicron virus getting worse, right? Markets are getting shaky. In my opinion, I don't know why, but I just have a gut feeling that the markets might just start to sell off in December. Maybe the government's going to push out some very scary Omicron news to get everyone to sell their stocks. You know, if you sell your stocks this year, right, with all these massive gains, guess what? You're gonna have to pay taxes for the government. And the government's very short on tax at the moment with all the money they've printed and all the money they've given away. They almost have no money. So you just, you know, there's obviously it's a big theory, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. If you guys haven't already, you can use my BitGet link. Get $630 in bonus and a 10% deposit bonus. Peace.